Hello, this is lecture 3, third sem, Tungal School of Basic and Applied Sciences, Degree College, Jamkandi. I am Ramanjan sir, Department of Mathematics. So this is M1, Unit 2. So continuation of problems on Jacobians in real analysis. As we completed already up to problem 4 in lecture 2, whereas now in lecture 3 the problem starts from 5. In 5 we have two problems. Small problem, if u is equal to x by y and v is equal to x plus y by x minus y, then find dou of u comma v divided by dou of x comma y. And the second problem is, if u is equal to x plus y and v is equal to y by x plus y, then find dou of u comma v divided by dou of x comma y. See that the two problems. So solution for the first problem. What is given here? U is equal to x by y and v is equal to x plus y divided by x minus y. So find dou of u comma v divided by dou of x comma y. So that the terms related to the partial differentiation of u with respect to x and y, and then partial differentiation of v with respect to x and y. Now dou u by dou x, as u is equal to x by y, dou u by dou x is equal to dou u by dou x is equal to, as y 1 by y is constant, so that the differentiation of x with respect to x is 1 by y, and dou u by dou y is equal to, so with respect to y partial differentiation, as x is constant, x by y means now minus x by y square, right? Similarly, v can be differentiated with respect to x. Dou v by dou x is equal to, as v is equal to x plus y by x minus y. It is the partial differentiation. So x minus y into x plus y can differentiate. So y is 0, x is only 1, plus x plus y into x minus y can differentiate with respect to x is 1 only. It is to be u by v method means x minus y whole square is equal to this is minus u by v method means, as plus x minus x is to be cancelled, remaining is minus 2y divided by x minus y whole square. So dou v by dou x is this. Next, dou v by dou y is equal to the same process with respect to y partial differentiation of v. So that x minus y into, so x plus y can differentiate with respect to y is 1, minus x plus y into, so with respect to y differentiation is minus 1, divided by x minus y whole square is equal to 2x divided by, because minus y here is plus y is to be cancelled, the remaining is here is x, whereas and here is to be plus x, it is 2x, x minus y whole square. So now Jacobian, dou of u comma v divided by dou of x comma y is equal to, it is the determinant. In the first order, you can differentiate with respect to x with respect to y. That is the first row in the determinant. So functional determinant, Jacobian of order 2 is the functional determinant. So determinant of u differentiation with respect to x and y. Next, with respect to That is, v can be differentiated with respect to x and y means dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y. This is the second row. Is equal to, substitute, dou u by dou x is 1 by y, dou u by dou y is minus x by y square. Next, dou v by dou x is minus 2y divided by x minus y whole square. Next, this is 2x divided by x minus y whole square is equal to what is the simplification? 1 by y into 2x divided by x minus y whole square. Next, minus of minus, already minus is plus, so take this multiplication is minus x by y square into minus 2y divided by x minus y whole square. The simplification is equal to 2x divided by y into x minus y whole square plus this minus xy. Already minus is to be, it is to be plus it is. So what can I do it now? As this is to be, it is to be plus, minus into minus, right? Now it is minus, so y is to be cancelled. 2x divided by 1y is cancelled. 2x divided by x minus y, that is y into x minus y whole square is equal to 0. That means dou of u comma v divided by dou of x comma y is equal to 0. So in this problem, similarly we have the second problem is there. So in the second problem, what is given? This is the second problem. If u is equal to x plus y and v is equal to y by x plus y. So now the problem is there. It is also given, we will write, because the solution it is given. So differentiate this u with respect to x partially is equal to dou u by dou x is equal to 1, and similarly u can be differentiated with respect to y is x is 0, so that y is 1. Next, dou v by dou x is equal to, v can be differentiated with respect to x is now, so that with respect to x is, as y is constant, x plus y can differentiate, so it is take to this to the numerator, so it minus 1 by x plus y whole square is equal to minus y by x plus y whole square. Next, dou v by dou y is equal to, here is the u by v method, whereas u by, here is numerator is variable is there, y variable, denominator is also y variable is there. So differentiate with respect to y, it is x plus y into 1 minus y into 1 divided by x plus y whole square. In simplification, x divided by x plus y whole square. Now the Jacobian is to be dou of u comma v divided by dou of x comma y is equal to functional determinant dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y is equal to, substitute, what is dou u by dou x is 1, dou u by dou y is 1, dou v by dou x is minus y divided by x plus y whole square. Next, dou v by dou y is x by x plus y whole square is equal to, this is 1 into x by x plus y whole square minus, already minus is there, it should be plus. So 1 into y divided by x plus y whole square. As denominator is same, sum the numerators. X plus y whole square, the numerator will be x plus y is equal to 1 by x plus y. So that dou of u comma v divided by dou of u comma v divided by dou of x comma y is equal to 1 by x plus y. The result is to be, the Jacobian is to be, the value is dou of u comma v divided by dou of x comma y is equal to 1 by x plus y. Right, sixth problem. In first problem, if u is equal to x square minus y square and v is equal to 2xy, then find dou of u comma v divided by dou of x comma y. And the second problem is to be, if x is equal to u into 1 plus v and y is equal to y in v into 1 plus v, then find dou of x comma y divided by dou of u comma v. So the first problem can be easy to solve, that you can find the solution for the first problem, as we have already the fifth problem. The procedure is same for the sixth problem also. So the answer is to be, for the first problem is 4 into x square plus y square, that you do it. Next, the second problem I will do it. Solution for the second problem. Given x is equal to u into 1 plus v, 1 plus u, and y is equal to v into 1 plus v. Right. Differentiate this x with respect to u and v. First of all, x can be differentiated with respect to u is equal to, so this is of right, this is y is equal to v into 1 plus u. Right. dou x by dou u is equal to, as 1 plus v is constant, as we are differentiating partially with respect to u, so that 1. Next, and dou x by dou v is equal to, u is constant, 1 plus v can be differentiate, it is 1. Next, or 1 plus 0. Next, dou y by dou u is equal to, y can be differentiated with respect to u. That means v into v into 1 plus 0, v into 1 plus 0. So v into 1 plus 0, and dou y by dou v is equal to 1 plus u. Dou v by dou v is equal to v into, that is 1 plus u into v differentiation is 1. So that dou of x comma y divided by dou of u comma v is equal to determinant dou x by dou u, dou x by dou v, dou y by dou u, dou y by dou v is equal to dou x by dou u is 1 plus v, dou x by dou v is u, dou y by dou u is v, dou y by dou v is 1 plus u, is equal to 1 plus v into 1 plus u minus uv is equal to 1 plus v, because 1 plus v into 1. Next, plus u can multiply, u plus uv. Next is minus uv is equal to 1 plus u plus v. This is dou of x comma y divided by dou of u comma v. So just in place of x and y's, previously we have u comma v's are there. So that in all these problems, only finding out the partial derivatives and then apply in the Jacobian or the functional determinant to find the value. At seventh problem, in continuation. Seventh problem, if u is equal to tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, and v is equal to x plus y by 1 minus xy, then find dou of u comma v divided by dou of x comma y. Right. Solution. As given, u is equal to tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Just only the partial differentiation of u with respect to x and y. Comma v is equal to x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Right. U can be differentiated first of all with respect to x. Dou u by dou x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. here xy not equal to 0 also condition we take, not equal to 1, right? So dou u by dou y is equal to, with respect to y differentiation is, this is 0 and the remaining is 1 by 1 plus y square. So dou v by dou x is equal to, so in all these x is there, then the numerator and denominator, so it is by u by v method. So 1 minus xy into x plus y can differentiate with respect to x. It is 1, actually 1 plus 0, minus x plus y into, and denominator with respect to xy can be differentiate. It is to be x plus y into, this is as 0 minus y is constant, x only can be differentiate, it is 1, divided by 1 minus xy whole square is equal to, right, UV method means this is 0 minus with respect to x differentiation. So as y is constant, here is y itself. This is 1 minus xy minus xy plus y square divided by 1 minus xy whole square is equal to, as this is minus is there and this also to be minus, so as here is also minus into minus is plus, so that plus xy is equal to, as both are to be cancelled, 1 plus y square divided by 1 minus xy whole square. Similarly, dou v by dou y is equal to 1 plus x square divided by 1 minus xy whole square. Now the Jacobian, dou of u comma v divided by dou of x comma y is equal to, determinant dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y is equal to, determinant 1 by 1 plus x square, 1 by 1 plus y square, 1 plus y square divided by 1 minus xy whole square, 1 plus x square divided by 1 minus xy whole square is equal to, in simplification it is 1 by 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square by 1 minus xy whole square minus 1 by 1 plus y square into 1 plus y square divided by 1 minus xy whole square is equal to, as the terms are to be cancelled, 1 by 1 minus xy whole square minus, again to be cancelled y terms, 1 by 1 minus xy whole square is equal to 0. Even here also the plus and minus is to be cancelled, right? Eighth problem is the important problem. If u is equal to x plus y plus z, comma v is equal to x square plus y square plus z square, comma w is equal to xy plus yz plus zx, then find dou of u comma v comma w divided by dou of x comma y comma z. As the procedure is same, but it is the Jacobian of 3 by 3. So first of all, given all these, the terms, given u is equal to x plus y plus z, comma v is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. W is equal to xy plus yz plus zx. So first of all, dou u by dou x is 1. Dou u by dou y with respect to y differentiation of u 1. Dou u by dou z also is equal to 1. Whereas v can be differentiated with respect to x is dou v by dou x is equal to 2x. Dou v by dou y is equal to 2y. Dou v by dou z is equal to 2z. And next, w can be differentiated with respect to x. Here is x term is there, here also x term is there. So y is to be constant plus here is also z is to be constant as x differentiation is 1. So y plus z, dou w by dou y is equal to z plus x. Dou w by dou z is equal to x plus y. So that all the partial derivatives of u, v, w with respect to x and y, z. So now the Jacobian, dou of u comma v comma w divided by dou of x comma y comma z is equal to determinant. It is u first of all can be differentiated with respect to x, y, z partially. So the first row terms are to be dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou u by dou z. Similarly, v, dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y, dou v by dou z, dou w by dou x, dou w by dou y, dou w by dou z. This is the Jacobian of order 3 by 3 is equal to determinant 1, 1, 1, 2x, 2y, 2z. Next is y plus z, z plus x, x plus y. Only thing is simplify this determinant. Right. In the previous determinant, take 2 is common from the second row. So that now 1, 1, 1, x, y, z, z plus x, sorry, y plus z, z plus x, x plus y. Next. So to simplify the determinant, we can apply the row transformations. So that R3 to R3 plus R2 is equal to 2 into determinant 1, 1, 1, x, y, z, x plus y plus z, next x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z is equal to, as x plus y plus z is common from the third row, 2 into x plus y plus z, remaining determinant is 1, 1, 1, second row is x, y, z, third row is 1, 1, 1, is equal to 2 into x plus y plus z, and this determinant value is 0. Since R1 and R2, so right, R3 are identical. So is equal to 0. That is the 3 by 3 determinant dou of u comma v comma w divided by dou of x comma y comma z is equal to 0. So this is the important problem. It was asked many times in examination. Thank you very much.